I said, what the hell's an upside down banana split? I don't know.
Bananas on top.
Probably one that's upside down.
What are you going to get, sweetie? Hello, we are in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Spent the night here at the Holiday Inn. And it's hot and humid like you wouldn't believe, rain. So we are going to go up to the Visitor Center, spend some time there today, and then we'll see how many miles we get. We'll see what kind of adventures we end up with, but it'll be a good day, so let's go riding. All right, let's mosey. Well, good morning. We are in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. This is where we stopped last night at this nice Holiday Inn with I'd show you an amazing view, but it's still cloudy. We're not supposed to hit rain. We are going to try to make it to Vernon, Connecticut. There's a great motorcycle museum, Kaplan Motorcycles. We're going to try and see if we can go and visit that place. It'll be awesome. And yesterday we hit rain coming in here. It's been kind of crazy. Anyway, let's start today's adventure and see what happens. All right, let's go. Okay, we decided we are stopping here at the Harley dealership in Scranton called Electric City. I don't know if you can see. Electric City, we're going to go check it out. We're here before they're open, so we'll wait a few minutes, but Aaron needs to get a t-shirt. So what's a better place to stop than a Harley dealership? So we're going to do this for a little bit and then get back on the road. Okay, while we're waiting, they got some bikes out. So here's a nice little CVO. I hope you have been enjoying the trip so far. We've got a lot more states to hit and a lot more amazing places to go and to share with you. If you're a member of the nation, thank you so much. But if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.